Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And for those who are not, welcome back. My name is Trina and today I will be showing you how I winterize my garden bed. When I built this garden bed, I knew I would have to winterize it. My plans was to cover each door and window with this plant protection fabric I purchased from Amazon, just in case the winter came knocking at my door. Well, I can say today that winter came knocking at our door. Texas is now experiencing temperatures in the teens. I can say it is 12 degrees and the wind chill is -3. Stay tuned as I time lapse the completion of this winterizing structure.